Hello guys. Welcome to WhatVwant, a technology vlog. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you top 5 earning apps for iOS. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. If you are new to our channel, click on the red color subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Without any delay, let's get started. Number 1, Make Money. Make Money is a money-earning application that helps you to earn real cash just by doing simple tasks. This is compatible with all the latest versions of iOS. You need to go through the instructions and deals provided in the app to complete the tasks. It allows you to earn real cash by completing surveys, providing opinions, testing services, etc. All the earned money can be transferred into your PayPal account. Number 2, Money App. Money App is one of the best money-earning iPhone applications that pay you real cash by completing small tasks. It provides tasks like giving opinions, checking store displays, mystery shoppers, testing services, etc. You can do these tasks at any time and earn money. All the earned money can be transferred to your PayPal account. Payment will be transferred in 2 to 3 working days. Number 3, Google Opinion Rewards. Google Opinion Rewards is a trusted money-earning application available for both Android and iOS users. This is an official application from Google. Google Opinion Rewards application pays you for giving your opinions and reviews on simple questions. The earned money can be transferred to your PayPal account, and it can even be transferred to your Google Play balance. It pays as soon as you complete the survey. Number 4, SurveyMonkey Rewards. SurveyMonkey Rewards is a survey application that pays a minimum of $1.50 per survey. The surveys are simple and short and can be completed in very little time. You will get notified once the survey is available. You can redeem the earned cash as an Amazon gift card of $5 and more. You can even donate money by picking a charity from the application itself. Number 5, PollPay. PollPay is one of the leading survey apps that pays you for your time. It provides simple surveys with easy questions and updates the surveys every day. This is an easy-to-use application and provides amazing rewards. You can get paid in various ways, such as PayPal credit, Amazon gift card, Zalando gift card, Spotify gift card, and iTunes gift card. Hope you liked this tutorial. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. Subscribe to our channel for regular updates. And don't forget to hit the bell icon.